2 years ago, I flew the DJI Avata in Acro mode in wind just like this, and it humbled me. I was brand new at FPV. Same drone today, same wind condition, and 2 years of flying FPV. One small adjustment I did that completely changed everything. Wow. Wind is coming east. Now east is on that direction. So that's where you saw the drone was going sideways. All right, we're gonna switch to manual mode. Now manual mode, I did improve my, wow, it feels better with the jaw. Yep, I like it, I'm liking it. But that's not my jaw today. So we are increasing the jaw just little by little. I think for now the roll is good, but my jaw, yeah, the jaw helps me to find the wind, to fight the wind, because it helps me to move quickly. Well, at least that's how I'm doing it. If somebody else does it a different way, let me know. But the jaw also allows me to be quick and do my orbits. Whoa! All right, let's land and switch the jaw one more time. I'm gonna increase my jaw. Let's go ahead, 800. Because that is close. So we're gonna switch this. I'm gonna give it a 900. The Expo is good. I like how it feels. We're gonna take off. Normal mode. Woohoo. All right. Switch him. All right. Feels good though. Ooh, there you go, job. Feels good. Now I need to start changing my roll, because my roll is what is going to help me here to make a roll and dive. But for now, yaw is good. I'm gonna change it one more time. There we go. This is looking good. I like it. We're flying. I'm feeling a lot more comfortable now flying this in a windy condition. Ooh, you got the sky, and there you go. You see, that is Joe. That is what Joe does as well. I'm transitioning this curve, making those little curves. Joe helps you to move like this. Help you to maneuver. Wow, I'm liking it. I like it a lot. There's more control. You see, wow. A year and something else later, after flying FPV drones, I feel a lot more comfortable flying this drone at a wind condition that is 15 miles per hour. The maneuvers that I can do, I'm not scared. But if you're a beginner, you're gonna be scared. For sure, I can assure you, you are going to be scared because it's your first time going manual mode. You're gonna be scared. You don't wanna crash your drone. You don't wanna crash your investment. The money that you invested in getting this drone. So I understand the feeling that you'll get. You know what? Do I recommend an Avata 2 to start flying and learning FPV? Yes, all the way. You just need to get comfortable on different wind conditions because, yeah, if you fly the simulator is a simulator. It's not going to give you real-time scenarios. Maybe they do have now, but yeah, you see? Wow, changing the yaw, that was amazing. Just one little tweak and you are going to be good flying your drone. All right, I'm gonna land and then I'm gonna make one more adjustment before I run out of battery, because this is the only battery that I have. All right, we are going to make one more change. And we are going to go 1,000 over here. Yeah, 900. Give it a try. Normal mode. Starting motors. Taking off. All right, let's go ahead. Oop, wind. Again, wind is coming from my left, east. Woof. All right. Hold it. All right, we're gonna switch mode. All right. All right, let's see how my yaw is gonna do right over here. You see, it's responding well. Helps me to move quickly. So now, if you're learning FPV, make an adjustment on your yaw, just little by little, until you start feeling comfortable. And that's gonna help you. It's gonna help you big time to improve your flying experience. Yeah, you see the wing is coming from my left. So if twisting my drum, so it's coming, there you go, now we're coming this way. So wind condition is a big factor when you're learning FPV. I would recommend start learning when the wind is not strong, because the wind can slap you around, make you crash. You're gonna get scared, then you're gonna crash. So there we go. You know what? I'm gonna keep it.
I'm not the man you want. You've made a mistake.
I'm got some technological advances that are everywhere, but I can tell you that no one has produced anything like this.
Alright folks, I'm gonna land. That was the DJI Avata, flying it as an FPV drone, flying it on Acro mode. The only tweak I did was improving my yaw. Yaw allowed me to move quickly when maneuvering, switching, going from one place to another. So guys, hope you're well. Signing out. Ciao.